Hey cruisers, welcome back to the channel. I'm currently planning my next cruise and I'm looking to save some serious cash. Today I'm sharing my top 10 money saving hacks for booking a cruise. Whether you're a first time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, follow along and let me know if you've tried any of these tips to get the most bang for your buck. Hack number 1. Bid for a cabin upgrade. Did you know that many cruise lines offer a bidding system for cabin upgrades? Provided you booked early enough, keep an eye on your email for an invitation to bid. You can score a higher category cabin for a fraction of the price. If you feel lucky, you can pay for a category lower. Then when the time comes, bid for that upgrade. But if you're worried about getting stuck with your less than preferred cabin, then don't do it. Just make sure to set a budget and stick to it. Bidding can be fun, but you also don't want to overspend. You can always ask for an upgrade directly at the port if there are any cabins available. Hack number 2. Buy drink packages and specialty dining in advance. Most cruise lines offer discounted drink packages and specialty dining if you purchase them before you set sail. Buying in advance can save you a significant amount compared to onboard prices. But can money be saved if I purchase drinks and specialty dinner items separately? Sure it can, but just calculate the amount of what it would cost separately. If it works out better in your favor, then do it. Hack number 3. Take advantage of onboard credits. Onboard credits can be used for anything from excursions to spa treatments. It's like having free money to spend on your vacation. If your cruise line offers promotions that include these onboard credits when booking your cruise, consider using these credits towards drinks instead of using the drink package. Since onboard spending can get out of hand, it's always good to make a budget ahead of time on what you'll spend during your cruise so you'll be prepared. Hack number 4. Book shore excursions independently. Cruise line excursions can be pricey. I plan to do some research ahead of time to look for some cheaper options and book similar excursions through third-party operators. These excursions are usually more personalized, less crowded, less rushed, and offer an overall better experience. Just be mindful of the length of activity so you can get back to the ship on time. Hack number 5. Book early or last minute. Booking early can give you access to early bird discounts and a wider selection of cabins. On the flip side, last minute deals can offer significant savings if you're flexible with your dates and cabin choice. Self-serve cruise search. One of the best ways to find deals is through a website that can show you multiple cruise lines and cabins and destinations so you can compare prices. Or you might find a deal on a destination or ship that you've never considered. If you booked early and are worried about losing out on a cheaper deal, you can always check for price drops and get a refund for the difference or onboard credits. Either way, timing is key to getting the best price. Hack number 6. Using a travel agent. A good travel agent can help find the best deals and promotions. They often have access to exclusive discounts and can offer valuable advice based on their experience. I have heard you can find reputable travel agencies through social media. For example, I use tip number 5, the self-service cruise search, to find a specific cruise I'm interested in, join the social media group, and then find a travel agent advertising their promotions and services in that group. Just watch out for scams. Bundle packages such as airfare and hotel offer a better price. Downside is there's no flexibility to choose when you want to fly or if you want to stay longer. Consider arranging your own ground transportation to the port. Hack number 7. Prepay gratuities. Many cruise lines offer the option to prepay your gratuities when you book your cruise. This can help you budget more effectively, avoiding a large bill at the end of your trip. Prepaying also locks in the current rate, protecting you from any potential price increases. It's one less thing to worry about during your vacation. Although gratuities do not increase that often, so if you are looking to reduce the upfront cost, you can consider paying the gratuities at the end of your cruise. Hack number 8. Watch for sales and promotions. Cruise lines frequently offer sales, including drink packages, reduced deposits, and much more. Especially if you belong to a cruise line loyalty program. Members often receive perks like discounts, free upgrades, and onboard credits. Sign up for the VIP newsletters and follow cruise lines on social media to stay informed of the latest cruise promotions. Timing your booking with these promotions can lead to big savings. Hack number 9. Pack your own essentials. Obviously, items like sunscreen, toiletries, and medications can be very expensive on board, so pack these essentials to avoid paying those inflated prices. I'll also consider bringing a reusable water bottle to fill up on the ship and save time going back and forth getting drinks and staying hydrated. Packing light. Traveling with just a carry-on can save money on checked bag fees at the airport, and who cares if you wear the same outfit twice? Many ships also offer laundry services, which can be cheaper than paying for that extra bag or the stress of lost luggage. Plus, this leaves more room for souvenirs for your return trip. Have you ever arrived at your port without your luggage? This happened to me. To add more stress, I had a formal dinner reservation that night with nothing to wear. There was nothing in the onboard shops, and on top of that, another passenger bumped into me and managed to spill their drink all over my only outfit. Thankfully, the cruise ship offered free laundry service and a toiletries bag filled with lots of goodies. It took some back and forth between guest services and the restaurant host to finally let me in with my friends in my less than formal attire. At the first port, I went on a shopping spree, for which I was reimbursed, of course, and my bags finally showed up in my cabin. I was sure that this situation must happen all the time, but everywhere I went, people had heard about my specific misfortune and my unique sail-away outfit. And finally, hack number 10, affordable monthly payment plan. Many cruise lines and travel agencies offer payment plans that let you spread out the cost of your cruise over several months. The popular Cruise Now, Pay Later plan with interest-free payments can make any dream cruise more affordable. I don't have to worry about paying now if I want to cruise soon. And there you have it, cruisers, my top 10 money-saving hacks for booking a cruise. I hope these tips help you plan an amazing and affordable cruise vacation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!